Welcome to the demo of PAAL, which is a solution that we are offering for the problem tech for better education and helping people with disabilities. PAAL stands for Personally Accessible Adaptive Learning Using AI. What we offer is three features. One is comprehensive content coverage, which is used for learning content. The second one would be the bot, where the users could ask any kind of questions then and there as they learn. And the third one would be an exam center, where the users can take on an exam to assess their knowledge and also know about the things that they are lacking. Uh, Going on to the UI, what we offer to the users in the initial page is content coverage and exam center. Let's go to the content coverage, please. On the left, we can see the available subjects. Upon clicking on each subject, we could see each chapter available uh, on the subject, and there'll be two options for the user. One is to read the document on the same screen, or if they want to use the other features available to learn the content, they could go over the interactive learning. On the left, as we can see, there's a simplified summary being generated using Gemini Vertex AI. And on the right, they could see the documents, and they could read over the document on the right, and or they could just read the summary that's on the left. Also, we are also providing an option to create a podcast where there's a conversation between uh, two speakers explaining the entire PDF. And if they have any questions with regards to anything on the document, they could just go over to the bot that's available, and they could ask any question regarding this, and the bot would answer it. For example, let's ask a simple question. What is temperature? The bot would show them a visually appearing interface so that it's easy to understand, and the bot would answer the doubts right then and there. The bot is accessible over any page, and they could ask any questions with respect to these PDFs available. And once the learning is done, they could go to the other feature, which is our exam center. The interface remains the same so that it's easy to understand, and the PDFs are available, and they can take exam over any PDF. What this page does is generates questions over the PDF on three sections, which is MCQs, fill in the blanks, as well as true or false. Uh, and what the section offers is for them to have an interactive exam section where a bot tries to help them get the correct answer. As they fail to answer, it throws a couple of hints, and even if they fail to answer that, post the hints, then and the explanation of the correct answer would be given, and then they'll be taken to the next question. So three sections, like I said before: MCQs, fill in the blanks, as well as true or false would be shown here, and a score would be calculated at the end of the session. As we can see, the UI is pretty straightforward. On the below, there are questions. For example, this is the first question. Going on with the wrong answer, it will throw us a hint saying it'll throw us the first hint. Suppose we do this. Suppose there's the second wrong answer, it would throw us the second hint. And let's say we take the correct answer, it would throw us the explanation as to why it is correct. And this is the next section, which is true or false. Suppose I provide a wrong answer, it will throw an explanation as throw an hint. And suppose I give the right answer, it will take me to the next question. Right, and this is what we're offering right now for the prototype. And what we're going to design for the main project would be to also cover also cover the platform, giving the features to for the user with visually impaired. So it'll have an audio description of everything so that the visually impaired can understand, also have the same features that are available to the ones suffering through speech hardening. And this UI, what we try to achieve is help the users easily understand the concept that are in the PDF and which are hard to read, and also allow them to have an interactive session as they learn. And we believe that this kind of interface would allow the users to easily understand as well as learn the concept with an interactive approach. And on the main app, there'll be an interactive session as to how they can communicate with one-on-one person, and also the podcast would be easy for them to understand. So this is what we are trying to achieve, and this is a simple prototype